Hey YouTube, it's Quentin here. Today we're going to be putting the dash back together on the Kei. It's actually kind of a cold day. It currently is -4 degrees Celsius outside. Car is covered in snow. So today is just going to be trying to put the dash back together. I won't be running any of the wires back for the sub, and I won't put the steering wheel back on, but I'll just get the rest of the dash all back together and ready. So let's get into this thing here. Okay, there we go. Frozen. Okay, so last time when we left off, we had just finished installing the new radio and everything. So today I'm going to be putting my turbo timer through, getting it up here, and then putting the rest of the dash back together. Alright, so let's see here. It's actually kind of a cold day, so let's start by going underneath the dash. Make sure this is all the way back. A lot of wires up here. Find my flashlight. I believe it is up in the back corner there. Right up top there somewhere. Alright. I'll come back to you guys once it's out to the front. Alright, so I got the, as you can see here, we have the turbo timer through. I'm just going to be running the wire kind of down the side here. Popping it out on the gauge cluster. On this side here, we got the, where it went to now? There it is. The microphone, which will actually be coming in through this side thing out here. To get this guy out, I actually have to pull the speaker out, so I'll be putting that guy back in. And then just starting to put pieces back together. Alright, let's start. So I'm going to first start by getting this guy on. And the next shot, you will see the trim pieces back on. And there we have it. The dash is back in. It's looking really nice. There's the radio with the cup holder assembly and everything. On the next video, I'll actually be doing a couple small things. I'll be doing a new shift knob. I'll actually be running the wiring to the back for the sub, and I will be installing a steering wheel. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe if you haven't already done so. Hope you have a good one.